Welcome back to Edu Media Resources. I'm thrilled to see you here again. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting and educational content. Today, we're diving into how to create custom sprites in Scratch 3 using AI-generated images. First of all, I used Leonardo AI to generate the character I wanted. Then, we enter the prompt that describes the characteristics we want. Remember to include in the prompt that you want 4 or several different gestures so that we can choose the same character with different gestures to use in Scratch 3. However, sometimes we need to generate the AI images multiple times to get the ones we want. Here's the image I wanted. Then, download the image to your computer. Next, I use a free background remover tool for images. Upload the AI-generated image to the background remover website. When the background is removed, click on the Download button to download the image. Copy the downloaded image to the folder of your choice. Open the image using a photo viewer or editor. Enter edit mode to make changes to the image. Crop the image to 1 gesture size. Then, save the image to the folder of your choice. Repeat the process for the other 2 gestures. One important note: do not save if the picture will lose its transparent background. Go to Scratch 3 and upload the 3 character gestures you created. Use the eraser function in Scratch 3 to remove the unwanted parts. Now test the sprite to ensure that the background of the sprite is transparent. Last step, test the sprite to ensure it can change gestures.